I'm going to be replacing this control panel today with this one that I picked up off of Amazon. It looks about the same, it's just black. Get in here. I think get in underneath this. Pop the cover off, like so. There you go. Looks like I need a smaller screwdriver. Small Phillips. Took a while, but I found a screwdriver that will actually take these out. There we go. So I think we have everything here. Right off. That's not good. Yeah, it looks like we have all the same colors. So I'm gonna go and wire all this up, and then I'll come back and we'll see if it works. To get this cover off, you have to kind of pry in this corner in towards it, and then this whole thing will come off. So still doesn't help me that much, but some like I said, I'm gonna have to go and rewire all this, and then I'll be back. One red wire that goes up to this plug is connected to some sort of fuse. It's interesting. So I'm gonna hook that up, and I'll be back. I'm not 100% sure what this is for. It's a 1 amp fuse, but it blew as soon as I hooked it up. And this wire here, I was going to hook this wire up to that wire, but didn't like that. So I hooked it back up to the way it was originally on this one with the switch. There was another red wire up on here. It's for the battery, I guess, but this one hooks everything into the same thing. So we'll see. I electrical taped all the wires, all the caps, and now I'm gonna push everything back in the wall. All the wires are pushed back in the wall. All I gotta do is put this control panel back on, so I'll get that on and I'll be back. Well, it looks like our pump works. Our battery is showing 2/3 or 3/4. Fresh water, empty. Our black water is 2/3, which I'm gonna have to check that, and our gray water says it's empty. So gray water's empty, black water's 2/3, fresh water's empty, and the battery's 2/3. So now all I have to do is go and find out what's going on with the black water tank. I've got some new sensors to put on. Maybe there's a wire off. And here's my sensors. So I'm going to climb down there and figure that out. Here we have the fresh water tank. And what's that doing in there? Looks like we have, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors. So I'm going to swap these out. These are of course the whole thing wants to turn. The whole thing just want to turn on. Okay, I'm gonna have to get 2 hands on here. These are 3/8. think I'm gonna have to get a small screwdriver and try to get in underneath them. I'm gonna try pulling on this. Nope. It's gotta be in. There's one. There's our new one. Good. I'm going to try the trim tool. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna try these. Well, you can see this last one. I pulled that one out without too much of a problem. It's not bad. Seems to be on there pretty good. That'll do it for the freshwater tank. Got all the sensors hooked up. I'm going to go down and take a look at the gray and black water tanks. Okay, I'm underneath here at the black water tank, and I am going to start replacing these. I don't know if you can see them. These 4 sensors, so this ought to be fun. Hopefully nothing drips out of it. I'm going to move this to a wider view. Okay. Let me get this top one. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors installed there. That's the black water tank. Check the controller. The controller showing that it is empty now. Now I need to get up there and hopefully get into those 4. Okay, there's a sensor down here. You can see that one. Replace that one. And then these 3 sensors over here. So all the sensors on the gray water tank have been replaced, along with all the ones on the black water tank. So now let's go up and take a look at the control panel. Let's see, our battery full. Freshwater tank is empty, obviously. Black water tank empty. Gray water tank empty. So it looks like we got everything working. I think that'll do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.